There's a whisper in the air, a change is on the rise. From the old to a vision, clear before our eyes. Questions in the silence, who gets to step inside? But Ash has spoken plainly, with truth we can't deny. No room for fear, no room for hype, just hearts aligned and minds awake. A path is forming strong and wide for every soul who chooses to engage. Who is qualified for victory with Ash? Anyone with fire, not just flash. Hands that build and hearts that care, ready to show up, ready to share. It's not about your past or place, it's showing up with grace and pace. Together we rise, together we see the future built through unity. No gate is locked, no wall too tall. If you believe and give your all, it's ethics, trust, and standing true. A global crew with one clear view, to grow with purpose side by side, with honesty as our guide. Stay engaged, walk through the door, support the ones you met before. Each step you take, each word you say, help shape the dawn of victory's day. Who is qualified for victory with Ash? Anyone with fire, not just flash. Hands that build and hearts that care, ready to show up, ready to share. It's not about your past or place, it's showing up with grace and pace. Together we rise, together we see the future built through unity. If doubt is knocking, let it pass. You've got a role in this, my friend. Just bring your truth, your will to grow, and walk the path that Ash will show. Clarity is coming, bright and clear. Your time is now, victory's here. Who is qualified? It's you and me. In victory with Ash, we're finally free. Free to build, to dream, to lead. Planting hope like living seed. No test, no price, just heart and choice. Let's lift our voices, raise our voice. Together we rise, together we see the world transformed through victory.